So this is going to be the actual first homework assignment of Unit 3, right? And what's this titled? It's titled Unit 2 Reflection. So everybody in your notebooks, write down the title Unit 2 Reflection at the center of the page. Okay, so the idea on this first assignment is this. Everybody's looking at their Unit 2 test that you just got back. I mean, and think about what grade you got, how you feel about that grade. So you don't have to actually copy these questions down in your notebook, but I do want you to write, let me write down, half page of a reflection on Unit 2. So here's the title, Unit 2 Reflection. I want a half page written out. Could be one paragraph, could be two paragraphs, but I would like a significant amount of writing. And on what? Well, these questions are to help you write. Right? You don't have to number one, what's the answer? No, you don't have to do that. But just write a reflection. But in that reflection, you have to tell me how you feel about your grade you received. Hey, maybe you got an A+. You feel great, right? Or maybe you got an F. You don't feel good. Maybe you got a C, and you're like, yeah, I knew I was going to get a C because I should have studied more. But anyways, how do you feel about the grade you received? Number 2, how did you prepare for the Unit 2 test, and for how long? Right? Number 3, what other things could you have done to do better, or to better prepare yourself for the Unit 2 test? So what could you have done? I'll tell you what, I didn't see a lot of you, actually nobody came in the mornings to ask for help. Nobody came after school, right? So there's a lot of things that you could have done to improve your score, right? I know people, not all of you are watching the videos, because I see the views on YouTube, and there's only a fraction of the amount of students that I have. So there's a lot of things that you're not doing that you could be doing. So you could write a lot on number 3. But like I said, you're not numbering them, you're just writing. I mean, I guess you could number them if you want. And the last one, on Unit 3, which begins today, I'll make sure to do what differently? What are you going to do differently daily? What are you going to do differently on the days before a test to better prepare yourself, right? Yes, question?
Okay, so
I want to pause. So again, you guys have 12 minutes in class right now to do a nice written out reflection. Please write legibly so I could understand what you're saying. Half page, 12 minutes. Go for it.